Subscribe now. Subscribe now and let's start cooking.
You won't believe how to tasty sweet potato and egg recipes, crispy, healthy and ready to minutes. Let's make together. Take two slices of bread and cut them into small pieces. One glass of boiled milk and mix well. Now crack two eggs and separate the egg yolks from the egg white. Keep the egg yolks in a separate bowl. Mix the bread and milk mixture properly, then add
half teaspoon of black pepper powder,
salt to taste. Mix them. Next, add 1 cup of chopped spring onions and some grated sweet potato. Mix everything well until combined. Heat a non-stick pan and pour some of the mixture into the pan. You like a small dosa. Place an egg yolk on the top of the mixture and cook for 5 minutes. Carefully flip it and cook the other side until golden brown and full cooked. Repeat the same procedure with the remaining mixture. Your delicious and healthy sweet potato egg bread is now ready to serve. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Start cooking for more delicious recipes. Thank you.